Variopox Universal Resin is a solvent-free two-component epoxy resin for coating, bonding, conserving and laminating of wood and various other materials. Can also be combined with Variobond to achieve bonding pastes and fillers with various viscosities. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. With the Variopox dosing pumps, it is possible to dispense the material in a mixing cup without effort. Discard the material of the first dosing action to avoid any errors in mixing ratio due to air enclosures. The pumps are specially adjusted, so each pump action will dispense the correct mixing ratio of base and hardener, 30 parts by volume of base and 15 parts by volume of hardener. Stir the mixture thoroughly until homogeneous. Pour the mixture in a clean mixing cup and stir again. Variopox Universal Resin is now ready to use. Good luck!